we will talk about the oceans in the world. In our oceans, now already I have told you, see here the blue portions. These are the oceans, that means water. That one is a huge amount of water, and in the beginning only I have told you that the 70% of the earth's surface is being covered with the help of water. Yes, and the water they have divided into the 5 oceans. Now see here 5 oceans. What are the name? First one is the Pacific Ocean. Next one, the Atlantic Ocean. First I want to show you where the Pacific Ocean is there. Pacific Ocean is here. That means if you will, that one is the last portion. If you will draw the map here, world map here, so definitely this portion will come here again. So that means this one is the portion of the Pacific Ocean. So the east portion of the Asia and the west portion of the Pacific, that means North America or any one of the America, because this one is also belong to the Pacific Ocean. So the America, it's which portion, which side? It's west side. And what about the Asia? It's east side. Okay, so this one is the geographical location of the Pacific Ocean. Next, talk about the Atlantic Ocean. See here the Atlantic Ocean. Where is it? If you will see, it is surrounded by, that means America. In America's which side? East side of the America and the west side of the Europe and the Africa, isn't it? So our Atlantic Ocean is located here. Next, I will talk about the Indian Ocean. See here, this one is the position of the Indian Ocean, and where is it? That one is the below, that means under the Indian subcontinent. This is below the Indian subcontinent, and if we will talk about the Africa, it is situated into the east side of the Africa. And in the Australia, which side is coming? It's west side of the Australia. As well as you are able to see here, there are few islands are there. Which islands are there? They are the Malaysia or the Indonesia. Okay, so this one about the different oceans. Now one more thing is there. Now you can say me that what about the Arctic Ocean? Yes, Arctic Ocean is also there. Just like the Antarctica, our Arctic Ocean is there. I have told you this one is the Antarctica. Arctic Ocean is here, that means in the North Pole. There is no land, there is one ocean. So the name of this ocean is called the Arctic Ocean, and with the help of which subcontinent is it bounded? If you will see here, already I have told you this one is the North America. Next, now see here, this one is the Europe and this one is the Russia. Very big portion is containing Russia. So in this way, the Arctic Ocean is also bounded. And one more thing, if you will see that the depth of this ocean is very less. That means very shallow. Sometimes, most of the time, the water of this ocean is being freeze. Yes, you are not able to get the water just like which one we are getting here. No, it is not possible there. And one more thing, the International Hydrographic Organization in the year of 2000, they have told us that the Antarctica, all of you are able to see Antarctica, the surrounding water, that one they named as the Southern Ocean. Yes, Southern Ocean. And another name of the Southern Ocean is Antarctic Ocean. Already I have told you in the first, I have told you that it has another name, that one is the Antarctic Ocean. So these, their different geographical blur. Now one more thing, whether anyone put them any boundary like the lands, like the continents. Continents are being separated by their geographical landmark. It's okay. But who bounded the different oceans? No one bounded them. There are no boundary between one ocean to the another ocean. That's why whenever water is flowing from one ocean to another ocean, yes, it takes place. There is no boundary. That's why it takes place. And one more thing, do you know that most of the spaces, almost half of the places, they are staying. That one is the home, the seas area, or the ocean. That one, they are residing there just like us. We are residing in the earth. And where we are residing? Are you residing inside water? No, I don't think so. We are not residing in water. We are residing in different subcontinents or in the land. Is it whatever? Maybe it land, it may be Europe, Asia, it may be Europe. Definitely, I have told you, in different countries or the different subcontinent, continent, peoples are there. But except the Antarctica. This Antarctica, no one is residing because of the weather or the climate, because there are very less temperature is there. So that's why it is not being possible for the human. But still now they are staying some kind of animals or the plants, or some fungi are also being present there. But here, if you will observe that the half of the species in our world are residing inside ocean. Yes, they are residing. And one more thing, do you know that the protein, all of where protein, the animal protein, the 20% of the animal protein are we are getting from the ocean. Yes, they are also very helpful. And the total protein, if you will consider the total protein, the 5% are coming from the ocean. So definitely these are also very important. And one more thing, already I have told you that the ocean, that means the Arctic Ocean, that one is frozen. That one is being frozen with the help of ice. And if anyhow the ice will melt, do you know what may happen? All of the country, all of the subcontinent, they will be immersed, they will be submerged. Yes, it is possible. If anyhow the temperature of the earth will become raised, it will raise on that time, the ice will start to melt. On that time, we can't stay here, we can't live here. So what may be the reason for melting of the ice? Yes, the pollution, different kind of pollution. Nowadays, we are not listening anyone, we are not doing in the proper way our work, isn't it? So, all of you should have to be a very good child, isn't it? So, always you have to maintain the different rule, which one is concising our pollution, which one is restricting our pollutions. So, these all about the different continents and the oceans. Now, let's talk about the one thing, the words to remember. Coastal region. Coastal region means the land, that means where the ocean and the ocean it may be seas. So where the ocean and the land, that means the boundary. That one is both of them meet with each. And the submerged. Submerged means which one is floating by water. Submerged means caused to be underwater. That means water should be present above that land, whatever may be. So that one is the submerged. Next, let's do the pressure. So we have learned about the 5 great oceans. Which oceans are there? They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean. So the 5 oceans we learned, and there are also 7 subcontinents, is it? So first one Asia, next the Africa, next the North America, next the South America, next the Antarctica, next Europe, next Australia. Yes, today we learn about all of them, and Asia is the largest and most populous continent. Yes, already I have told you while discussing about Asia. And Amazon River, yes, Amazon River is the second largest river in the world. Which one is the largest, first largest? Which one? That one is the Nile River. In which subcontinent it is located? It is into the Africa subcontinent, is it? And one more thing I am asking you, that if I will send you in the Antarctica, yes, Antarctica, very cold there, then are you able to sustain there? If anyhow you have to sustain there, then how it is possible? Discuss with your friend and write in a paper and show to your teacher or your mother. Next, I have already given you the homework, which one is given in our workbook. All of you should do this one and go through the lesson by our course book and be prepared well for our online exam. All the very best.